That looks like a dead one. How about the Green Racer? That's a good one.
I chose that one before.
Okay, which one are you going to choose? Red. Red's good.
It's good. I think something wrong. I think there's something wrong here.
Are you turning it around?
Yeah, because
Racing the other way?
yeah, because there's something wrong here.
Okay, I'm on the inside track. You're on the outside track. You ready? Put it in the slot. Rev it up, see if you get any power. No, not in the middle of the track. Outside is where you
Oh, I
stand.
can't move it up.
Sure you can. It's a burnout, really, isn't it? Push it down a little bit. That's really heating up the motor. This is the closest thing to real racing. Okay, you ready to race?
I want to go